Welcome. In this lesson, we'll create a JavaScript function that returns all possible subsets of a specific length from a given array. This is a great example of using recursion to build combinations efficiently. We'll walk through the logic and build a clean and reusable utility. Let's jump into how this function works. We need to return all combinations of two elements from the input array. This is different from permutations. We do not care about order or duplicates. The input 1, 2, 3 should produce 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Now, let's look at the JavaScript code that gets us there. We define a main function and a helper called generate subsets. It uses recursion to build subsets, one item at a time. When the subset reaches the target length, we add a copy to the results. We also use pop to backtrack and try other combinations. This function uses a common pattern in recursion called backtracking. We build each subset by exploring one element at a time. When we hit the length limit, we add it to our results. We then backtrack and then try the next possible value. Let's walk through a few input cases. With 1, 2, and 3, and length 2, you get the three expected combinations. If you change the input or length, the function still performs correctly. It dynamically adjusts to the array size and length you specify. Fixed length subset combinations have real-world use in testing, analytics, and UI filters. You might use them for product bundles, team groupings, or survey logic. This technique also appears in coding interviews and algorithm problems. Let's close with a quick recap of what we've covered. We built a function to return all fixed length subsets from an array. This pattern is great for exploring combinations efficiently. Try changing the length or input array to see how it behaves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.